Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody, this is Sherry with KYFLE Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I have something that I would like to share with you that I bought. I got it from ForeverYoung, and I'm going to give a little shout out to Laura over at Diamond Painting with Rhino, because she showed this on her channel as well, and I'm not sure if she got the other thing I got, but I know the main thing in here that I got and wanted to try, she had shown on her channel, and she did a little demonstration, so I thought, you know what, I think I'll do the same. I want to try them anyway. It's something that way back when I got something kind of similar to it on Temu, and it didn't work out so well. So I thought I would try these. So let me show you exactly what it is I got. So it came in this box. The first thing, let me see if this opens this way or if I have to cut it. Hopefully I don't have to cut it, but no, I don't. The first thing I got is just a little straight edge ruler. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it is branded ForeverYoung. So this is a straight edge ruler that you lay down on your canvas to line your drills up when you get started. So that's the first thing that I got. Let's see what's in here, because I see the other thing that I got there, but I didn't order anything else, so let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. So I got, share and get a gift. Post your product video on social media and claim your special reward. Contact customer service to claim your gift and scan the QR code. And then down here at the bottom, look here. So here is, that's sticky. So you can create something on that. Isn't that nice? That's neat. Very neat. And I got a tray. So I got one of their trays. This has got a little stopper in it. So when you shake your drills, they don't fall out the end. That's very nice. And then one of their ergonomic diamond painting pens here. So it's got the little, I've never tried something like this. I don't know how well I would like it. I usually hold my pens very low, but this might, I don't know. I'll try it. I will try it. Thank you, ForeverYoung, for the gift. That was very nice. All right. The other thing that I got here is some rulers for the canvas. And there are 9 in this package. So the little small ruler I paid $2.99 for on the ForeverYoung website, and if I can get this open, I will show you these other rulers. Maybe. I don't know if I'm gonna get them open or not. Goodness gracious. I can't get my fingers down in there, you guys. This is bad. Okay, well, I'm gonna rip the box. I don't want to, but I'm gonna have to. Rip the box. There we go. Now. All right, so there are 9 of these. And they are zigzag. And they're made for square drills. But this is what they look like. Right here. They're a zigzag. And so I thought I would try these on, I have a canvas here, it is square drill, and I thought we would try these on the canvas. If you'll give me just a second, I'm going to tilt the camera down and I'll be right back. All right, so let me see, where am I at over here? I'm going to see how this is gonna work. All right, I'm gonna have to turn this around to me. And these are supposed to lay like this. All right. So this is what it's gonna look like on your canvas. You guys can see that. And I'm gonna see. I got it off just a little at the top. Okay, let's move that. Okay, that's straight. That is straight. I am gonna lift you up. Let you see. So this is what that looks like. And I'm going to try to place a few drills. Now these are made for square drills. Number 4. Go ahead and use their tray here. And let's go ahead and try their pen. And put a little wax in it. All right. So I'm going to try to place a few of these. It's a little dark in here, so I'm having a little trouble seeing. But this is a zigzag ruler. Now it does come with instructions telling you how to use it. Stick the mesh ruler onto the canvas and align it with the diamond grid. Place the diamonds neatly into the exposed holes. Peel off the mesh ruler and continue placing the remaining diamonds. Multiple mesh rulers can be used together, but be sure to leave a row of grid gaps between them. remove the ruler gently to avoid damaging it. All right. This pen's kind of nice. I'm just going to place a few. We don't have, not all these are this color. Let's see how this looks. And yeah, I'm being quiet because I'm concentrating on what I'm doing here. Sorry guys, but I just wanted to do it. I wanted to try it just to see how it will work. You know, the other thing is I multi-place, so I'm not sure how often I'll use this, but if it keeps them straight, I may use it more frequently. Plus, I think it would be easier and quicker using this because you're placing your drills precisely. Using this little ruler and not having to move them around to straighten them up, if that makes sense. So less time straightening your rows after multi-placing. I think my wax is a little old. All right, I think we'll place these, and then I'm gonna remove the ruler and see what it looks like. And also see how hard it is to remove the ruler from the surface. Oh, that one's not in there straight. That one's not in there straight. I'm gonna have to pull it up. I don't know if I can do that with this pen, but I got it in there crooked. All right, let's place it back in there the way it's supposed to be. There we go. And place that one. I want to get a good feel for it. All right, guys, let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I said I was going to start at the bottom. Gently pick it up, it says. Oh, wow, look at that. I know that's very hard to see there, but you can see they're very straight, very nice. That came up very easily. I do see there's one right here that needs to, there we go. So, yeah. You guys let me know what you think. And like I said, these can be laid side by side on this, and you just leave a little space. You leave the next row between a little bit, and move on with your diamond painting. You guys let me know what you think. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you so very, very much for joining me. I bought this with my own money, just letting you know. And these were $9.99 on the site, and I thank you so very, very much. You guys remember, show the love of Jesus always. Oh, wait. So this little thing, this, you line it up with the edge of your painting, and that's what this little ruler's for. So, but anyway, show the love of Jesus always. Be kind to others. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you're going to make in that person's day or even their life, guys. You don't know what they're going through. Thank you again. God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.